Hello, today I would like to give you a demonstration of Moonicorn web reservation engine. First I will log in as a pre-configured user here. Then I will click on the Reservables tab. In the Reservables tab I have one bed and breakfast already configured, the Buena Vista house. You can click on the details to get some more information about it. You can go in and edit it if you'd like. Take you back to the reservable list. Next I will show you the Units tab. The units are now I have two rooms configured for the Buena Vista house, the La Luna and El Sol room. You have the price, the description, a picture, and if you click in the details you can get some more information about it. You can click on the picture to get a larger version of the picture of the room. You can also go in and edit it if you'd like as well. That's a little bit about the units. Next you want to publish it out. So publishing, you have several options. First you need to select which reservable you're trying to publish. Since we only have one bed and breakfast configured, that's the only option there is. Now the first option to publish is embed a reservation widget directly in your website. This is the HTML code that you would use to embed it directly in your website, and if I click here you can see a sample of what it might look like in a website. Here, so the square box would be our widget that we have embedded. So here you select the dates you wish to visit, select the number of adults, click search. You can see that there's one room available on that date. You then want to book it, and then you want to enter some information. I will just enter some dummy information for now. Then I will click the next button, which will take me to the confirmation page where I can then click on complete the booking, and you can see here the details of my booking, the arrival, departure date, the room, the price per night, the tax, and the total price. And then in a second here you'll get a confirmation that it has been successfully booked, and there's our confirmation number. So the other options we have for publishing is to publish from a pop-up link. We click on the link that you embed in your website and it gives you a pop-up. Also you can do it from a button as well instead of a link. There's the button, and the last thing on this publishing here is an availability calendar. So embedding this code in your website here will give you this availability calendar below, which you can see which dates are available and which ones are not available for your bed and breakfast. Then once you make your reservation you will get emails, and then emails will bring you back into Moonicorn to be able to manage those reservations. So you can click on the Reservations tab here, and here you can view all your future reservations. You can click on the details of any one of them and get some more information about it. Some of the interesting things to look at here is whether they paid or not, and the state of reserved or pending. When you create a reservation it starts out in a pending state and then becomes reserved. You get to manage that. Have they paid as well. Back to the reservation list. Another interesting view is the calendar view of your reservations. Here's for the current month what reservations are currently either pending or reserved. Pending being in blue, red being reserved. You click on the reservation to get the actual detail screen of it. Now the next thing I'd like to show you is the Reports tab. Reports tab gives you both historical reservations and future reservations. You can click on the advanced search button here if you want to filter those down into a report that you want to generate and export. So say I'm only interested in reservations that are in the pending state. I set that, I click apply. You then have, here's my reservations that are in a pending state, and then down below that you'll notice I have several options on how would I like to get that data out. You can either do Excel, a PDF, or XML, or a few other options. So I'm going to click on a PDF. I get my PDF, I then open it here, and you can see what my PDF might look like. That's all I'd like to show you today. Thank you for taking the time. Please look at moonicorn.com. Thank you very much.